Click Hamburger menu. Click Menus page. Open Blood Donation module. In the Blood Donation module, custom visualizations include the number of donations today, the number of donations this month, the number of donations from in-house sources, the number of donations from camps, the number of completed donations, the number of deferred donations, and the count of donations for each blood group. Click New button. If the donation type is camp, name of camp field will appear. If the donation type is in-house, name of camp field will disappear. Click Select button. We can get the camp details by entering name of camp, collection date, and camp ID. Click Get Data button. Click the camp details. Click Done button. Select donation category. Enter donor details. After selecting birth date, age field will be calculated automatically. When the blood donation is completed, a thank you email will be sent to the donor's email address. Select the blood group and RH type confirmed. Select donor type. Once the collection is completed, enter the blood bag details. Based on the bag type, donated product is populated automatically. Based on the collection date, the next blood donation date is calculated automatically. If the donation category is apheresis, the bag type selected is the S5L bag SDP, and the next apheresis date is calculated automatically. The platelet count field will appear for apheresis donations. Fill out the donor questionnaire. We have set the default values to no and yes based on your requirements. If you wish to make any changes, please modify them accordingly. Enter the donor's physical examination details. Click Save and Done button. Donor ID is generated automatically. This record is saved in Web table. If the donation status is deferred, deferred date is populated automatically. Select deferral type. If deferral type is temporary, temporary deferral reason field is shown. And select the temporary deferral reason. If deferral type is permanent, permanent deferral reason field is shown. And select the permanent deferral reason. Click Create Document tab. Select the template and click Create Document button. Any type of template can be built and the date is populated from entries. All the completed templates can be emailed, stored as an attachments, or printed.